I had the barbecue pit going. I say, you know what? I know how to improvise. Y'all gonna learn today how to improvise. Thank you, darling. I appreciate you still being with me. More likely you won't get to see this video up because I've already cut out the some shorts for it, and that way you'll be able just to listen to some of the melodies that we try to bellow out. I wrote a song called "It's a Birthday Song." I thought about singing it every month, at least once a month, but I said, you know what, that'd be too much. The people gonna get tired of hearing it. uh, yeah. Well, Miss Scooter, I do have some news for you, and but I will not disclose it here. I will say this: I have an opportunity to travel, and that's all I'll say. I have not made a decision. I probably won't make a decision. I'm just waiting to see how the Lord gonna move. Yeah. I hear some. I hear a tune, and it's not for me. It's a. I'm gonna see if I can hum it. It goes. It's a very low tune, but I'm gonna try to say what I hear. It's going. I actually hear it. It's in my right ear, but it's kind of like kind of far back. But I hear it just as clear as I'm talking. It's it's beautiful. Those are only two tunes I keep hearing. Yeah, it's good. That is so cool. Father, I thank you. Yeah, yes. There you go. Ooh. I don't know if that's a love call or what. Mm-mm-mm. I don't know if that's me getting a spiritual upgrade or what. But I thank you.